stealing these parts.
Stealing? Now, who'd go and do a thing like that?
I don't rightly know, and neither does the sheriff. One thing's for sure, though. Until they catch that thieving buzzard, I'd advise you to mark your belongings, just in case he's fool enough to try and steal from us. Where are you going, Ed?
No matter where you're stationed or what outfit you wrangle for, there's always a chance some low-down varmint's gonna make off with your prized possessions. There's also a chance you'll get caught or that some of the goods will be recovered. By putting a unique mark on your belongings and keeping a record of what you've got, you'll make it easier to prove what's yours. How you mark it, however, as long as it's permanent, is up to you, partner.